Welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I have some large sublimatable items to show you. First, let's see this super large stainless steel beer cooler. It's the tool that can keep your iced beer cold for a longer time because it was made of double-walled stainless steel and it has this great vacuum insulation, and also it comes with this very large capacity. So it can hold up to 40-ounce beer perfectly, which is a very large size for a beer. And it has this lid to lock the beer inside, and this very large square handle, and it's very sturdy and comfortable to hold. You can just grab the handle and pour out your beer directly. You don't have to take the beer out, and you don't have to worry the beer bottle will slide out because the lid has completely fixed it inside. And if you don't have such large beer, you can also put your smaller beer into the beer cooler and then fill the space with some ice, and the lid can also lock the ice inside, and the beer cooler will still keep the ice from melting away, just like an ice bucket. And it comes with this silicone ring. You can stick it on the bottom after sublimation printing, so it won't leave any scratches on your table. And this item is just so perfect for use during a barbecue, a party, a dinner, and also a picnic. And next, let's see these two super large stainless steel dog bowls. And you can choose from silver and white colors, and they are just the perfect choices for your pet because they were made of this double-walled stainless steel, which means they won't rust, and they are more sturdy and more durable, and it's much easier to clean them, and they won't hold odors after cleaning, which makes them a healthier, safer, better choice than a plastic bowl. And they each come with this wide mouth and a very large capacity to hold up to 64-ounce dog food, and they are just so perfect for holding wet food, dry food, treats, and also water for both puppies and adult dogs. And each dog bowl comes with a silicone ring on the bottom, and you can stick it on the bottom after sublimation printing. And this ring can keep the dog bowl in place while your dog is eating, so there will be no more sliding and mess. And also, it can protect your floor and your table because it won't leave any scratches. So, do you guys like our dog bowls and the beer cooler? If you do like them, and if you want to know more product information, you can send email to best@bestsub.net, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And if you want to know how to print them, you can go to check the printing tutorial. And I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.